Hello my wonderful viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's class, we want to look at a situation whereby c in our quadratic form is equals to 0. Don't forget, the general form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So in a situation whereby c is equals to 0, how do we go about it? That is, we will now be left with ax squared plus bx equals to 0. So in that case, we don't have the constant term there. So now, now the first example here says x squared minus 2x equals to 0. We want to solve for x, we want to find the value of x. So how do you go about this? As you can see, this is now in this form, whereby you have ax squared here. Now the coefficient of x squared here is 1, and the coefficient of x here is minus 2. So it's now in this form. So how do we go about this? The first thing is to factorize. So let's factorize. X is common. So we have x outside the bracket. X multiplied by what will give us x squared. That's x multiplied by x minus x times 2 will give us 2x. So we have 2 here equals to 0. So as you can see, x is equals to 0, then into bracket x minus 2 is also equals to 0. So this simply means s equals to 0, this x is equals to 0, or x minus 2 is also equals to 0. Now we now have s equals to 0 or s equals to, when minus 2 moves to this side, it becomes s equals to 2. Now that's the first one. Let's quickly look at the second one. The second question says 2f squared plus 3f equals to 0. So we are asked to solve this. We want to find, that means we want to find the value of f. Now, the first thing is to factorize. So what do we have in common here? We have f. So we are going to say f, then you open brackets, f multiplied by what's going to give us 2f squared. So that is f multiplied by 2f plus 3 equals to 0, because f multiplied by 3 will give us 3f. So we have successfully factorized this. Now this simply means f equals to 0 or 2f plus 3 equals to 0. So in that case, f equals to 0 or 2f equals to minus 3. The plus 3 will move to this side and it will become minus. Then we have f equals to 0 or f equals to minus 3 all over 2. You divide both sides by 2. So that's going to be 2f all over 2 equals to minus 3 all over 2. Then we have f equals to minus 3 all over 2. So f equals to 0 or f equals to minus 3 all over 2. So let's put the minus here. Alright, so we have two more examples here. So I want you to try these two, solve it, and drop your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow and like me on Facebook. Thanks. See you again in my next video.